In the previous lectures, we have discussed severely commonly used linear beam tubes in details. In these tubes, the DC magnetic field that is in parallel with the DC electric field is used to focus the electron beam. In cross-field tubes devices, however, the DC magnetic field and the DC electric fields are perpendicular to each other. In all cross-field tubes, the DC magnetic fields plays a direct role in the RF interaction process. Cross-field tubes derives their name from the fact that the DC electric field and the DC magnetic fields are perpendicular to each other. They are also called M tubes after the French TPOM, that means tubes for propagation of waves in a magnetic field. In a cross-field tubes, the electron emitted by the cathode are accelerated by the electric field and gain velocity. But the greater their velocity, the more their path is bent by the magnetic field. If an RF field is applied to the anode circuit, those electrons entering the circuit during the retarding fields are deaccelerated and give up some of their energy to the RF field. Consequently, their velocity is decreased, and these slower electrons will then travel the DC electric field far enough to regain essentially the same velocity as before. Because of the cross-field interactions, only those electrons that have given off sufficient energy to the RF field can travel all the way to the anode. This phenomena would make the M-type devices relatively efficient. Those electrons entering the circuit during the accelerating field are accelerated by means of receiving enough energy from the RF field and are returned back towards the cathode. This back bombardment of the cathode produces heat in the cathode and decrease the operational efficiency. In this topic, several commonly used cross-field tubes such as magnetron forward wave cross-field amplifiers, backward wave cross-field amplifiers, and backward wave cross-field oscillators will be studied. Cross-field tubes can be classified in various three kinds: resonant, non-resonant, and Maser effect. In resonant, can further be classified standing wave and reentrant. Magnetron is the type of resonant kind of cross-field tubes. In Maser effect, we will study the gyrotrons. Other are there for the classification, but that is not covered in the syllabus. Magnetron oscillator is a device developed to generate high microwave power. Hull invented the magnetron in 1921, but it was only an interesting laboratory device then. During World War II, an urgent need for high power microwave generators for radar transmitter led to the rapid development of the magnetron to its present state. All magnetron consist some form of anode and cathode operated in a DC magnetic field normal to a DC electric field between the cathode and anode. Magnetron can be classified into three types. First is split anode magnetron. This type of magnetron uses a static negative resistance between two anode segments. They have low efficiency and are useful at low frequency only. Then cyclotron frequency magnetron. It operates under the influence of synchronism between an alternating component of electric field and a periodic oscillation of electrons in a direction parallel to the field. Third, and is very important, traveling wave magnetron depends on the interaction of electron with the traveling EM field of linear velocity. They are customarily referred to simply as magnetron. Traveling wave magnetron can be of various types: cylindrical magnetron, linear magnetron, coaxial magnetron, voltage tunable magnetron, etc. Cylindrical magnetron is commonly used in various fields.